Hey, Kenton. Oh yeah, Kenton. Just so you know, you're in a YouTube video right now. Well, I'm not live streaming, so no. Yeah, and I don't know how I'll do that. Okay, but hi guys. This is episode 2 of Risk of Rain. I'm chatting with my friend. Oh god, I picked the wrong character. I guess I could try to survive with this dude. Oh, it's a lunar coin. Grab that. I'm gonna see if I can at least get to the second zone with this dude. This game really reminds me of Isaac. Oh god, a rock golem. I think my favorite character is either Hunter or Bandit. Don't tell me that was... And guys, just so you know, if you're ever gonna buy this game, to all the people that are gonna watch my video, and also to my friends that I'm talking to, it is 33 bucks. Well, actually, it's like 37 bucks. It's 37 bucks. It says 33, but that's without taxes, and they run taxes on this game, so it's 37. The game is fun all in all. Oh great, another golem. These rock golems are really hard to beat without a hippo feather, which gives you double jump. I mean, like, you just have to jump right before they attack. And you... Oh, repulsion armor plate. That has to be one of my favorite items in the game. Oh god. Pray to the Shrine of the Mountain? You have invited the challenge of the mountain. I don't know what this is. I don't know why I did it, but this is gonna be fun. This game really reminds me of Binding of Isaac. The healer? Oh, one of the new characters? Hey. Oh, so you like that lifeline girl? On Risk of Rain, my main guy probably is the Huntress, who uses a bow. Oh yeah, and also she has homing arrows. No, like, I'm talking about Risk of Rain. Risk of Rain, I mean. So, yeah, I know. I'm talking about the game I'm playing right now, Blake. I don't play that game anymore. And I don't really remember what I used most. So I can't really answer that question. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah. Where's that teleporter? Huh. Well, I'm happy today's a weekend. No. Did you have school today? No. For Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, and Thursday and Friday we have off. So that's good. I could get a little more videos out before I have to go to school again. But Blake, I feel like you like this game. Risk of Rain. Oh, massive armor from the Jade Elephant. I never used the Jade. I never had the Jade Elephant. That did 0 damage. Again. Wait, what? Oh, that. Yes. Alright. Ooh, armor piercing rounds. More damage to bosses. I'm gonna do so much damage to bosses when they're over 90% HP. Like 17. Oh yeah, and all 17 came from one video. The first video I ever made. The personal shield generator. And something I don't know. Move fast. Okay, that will be useful, right? It's like a speed up in Isaac. Oh yeah, this game is a bullet hell game, so there's a lot of bullets. Get it? But I'm not kidding, there is a lot of bullets. When you get to the later zones, or even just fight the magma worm, you could barely even see everything that's... Really? I thought you really liked it. Remember when you hated Apex? Remember that? You would never play Apex. Those were the good old days. Actually, not really. Right? Okay, this time I'm playing as a bandit. Oh, some free money from barrels. Oh, one of these item choosers. Armor, speed, shield. I'm taking the shield. Hey, you. But Blake, would you play this game with me if you could? I can run you through the ropes. Wait, that's a... Oh, I almost got frozen from a frost enemy. which explode when they die, and if you're in a certain distance, you'll freeze, but you don't take any damage. But I want to be a great YouTuber, so that's why I usually that's why I'm doing a few uploads now. This would be my fourth video I ever posted on my channel. Oh. But the bandit, it's great for quick kills, getting the job done. You get what I mean, right, Blake? Right? Blake? Blake, are you there? I don't get. Blake, why aren't you talking to me? Oh yeah, the ATG missile. Also, why do salamanders spit fire in this game? That just seems illegal. Hey, Blake. Wanna know what the bandit's best for? Quick kills. You know how you like shotguns in Fortnite? Remember how you liked shotguns in Fortnite? He starts with shotgun. Maybe it's from the kick. But Blake, if we ever get to, would you want to play this game with Risk of Rain with me? Oh, you'll like it. Yes. Oh, that's my favorite item. Well, one of my favorite items. Blake, I got one of my favorite items from a choosable. Blake, wanna know what I just got? Wanna know what I just got, Blake? Blake, I just got gasoline, which if I kill an enemy, all nearby enemies around it will be set enemy. I have that speech disorder, remember, Blake? So we all have something to. Oh God, I have to fight the Beetle Queen. Me, I just have trouble pronouncing some words. That's the thing. Some. Oh yeah, and Blake, the only way we could play online is with PlayStation Plus, so if you were gonna play with me, you would need. Rafe is that teleporting girl, I think. I remember what I think Bloodhound Bloodhound. What does he do again? I think it was like, yeah, I thought it was something like that. Well, time to go to area 2 with the bandit. Okay. Bye, area 1. You're just too lame for me. Oh great, it's one. Why did they add the jellyfish? There are jellyfish in this game that explode. Yeah, Blake, you know creepers from Minecraft? Oh wait, you don't play Minecraft. The jellyfish in this game are pretty much creepers. Okay, what items are there? Something I don't know what it is. Bison steak, I'm taking that. Oh, I don't have a... Oh, great, one of these. A metalhead. I don't really know the names of all the enemies. You have to kill them, and then there's a chance they'll drop a Bible. Oh, come on. Also, Blake, I feel like you love this game. Do you like third-person shooters, Blake? Blake, do you like third-person shooters? Blake? Sometimes I feel lonely. Whoa! I hate those guys. They don't even do that much damage, but yet they're just... Oh, I got a moss. I got the necklace. The monster tooth necklace. I think it was Bloodhound, actually. Well, I can't really with... Well, I don't even know if I want to, but I might. No, I'm dead. How did I only take 100 damage? I need to find this portal. Hope I get into a void zone. If I get a void... If I find a blue portal, I am going in it so I can get back to the void shop. I'm just trying to find this portal. Where is it? Healing drum. I'm repairing. I am under the water. Please help me. You notice me, Blake? I am under the water. You know that one? I am under the water. I love that one. I'm under the water. I like how we said it at the exact same time. I am under the water. Oh wait, you're for. Oh, I know, Squid Game. Remember Lights Out? You know Lights Out? You remember? You know Lights Out? It's pretty much just the same. You seriously don't remember? Oh. Hey, Blake. Maybe one day, if you do ever download this game, I think you would really like it. So you're pretty much on an alien planet, and you get to choose 2 characters when you just start out. And to unlock new characters, you have to do certain things, like. Oh yeah, and also, should I say you get to kill a bunch of. You also get to fight epic bosses that have thousands of HP. And also get exploded. And also when you kill. Okay, Blake. How about this? When you. Blake. I have. Oh! Wait, really? Behemoth? I think that's a. Oh! I think I got. I got a rare item. I got a rare item. And I got fuel cell. Hold in. Equipment charge. What? I don't get it. I'm opening all chests inside. And all barrels since they give me money. Blake, I have an idea. When you come to my house, when you come. When I. But Blake, when you come to my house, I have an idea. So you don't have to buy the game. I'll let you, well, play it at my house. So if you, yeah. So if you do really like it, you can but then when you so when you come, so when you go to my house, you can have a free trial on the game that I'm giving you. The game is really fun. And also, sometimes it seems impossible to find a teleporter. Like right now, I cannot even find it. I'm searching every. Wait, did I seriously just see that? Did I just see what I thought I saw? Oh, I found a chest by accident. The topaz brooch. Oh, thanks for the boost. Explodey fish. Get it? Explodey fish. What is over here? Oh. Hey, Blake? Blake? If you do like the game, when you come to my house, you can buy it at your house. This video is probably gonna be bad since I'm not really talking with the through the voice mic for my video, but I'm talking to you guys. I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do a huntress run. Huntress. Let's go. Also at level 1 you get 90 HP, so which is decent. Wow. Oh God, are you serious? This dude's just a hint on what. Surprise! Oh, arrow rain. Yeah, I think that's a glitch. I got the volcanic egg. Oh, bison steak already? I'll grade up on. and rock golem killed. Well, rock guardian. What are those big rock dudes called? I didn't get their mob, the enemy thing, and I know they're not called rock golems since there's a boss called the rock golem. Blake, how many likes do you think this video is gonna get in the first 10 days? Time to kill all these enemies. Will of the Wisp. Hey, don't even. If I get, is this broken? If I get the, if is this broken, reward again for a shrine not working 3 times in a row, I'm gonna be mad. Which I thought is a character that, I thought you get a character for is this broken. Oh, the shield! Yes, I love the shield generator. Oh, MLG clutch! With the volcanic egg. Get over my lobby. Wait, oh my god, how did I die? Ugh. Oh my god. Being close range is not good for the Huntress. But it's great for the bandit. All characters have their different advantages and disadvantages. I'm gonna hope I get some better items like gasoline. Shuriken. Why does the Huntress have a shuriken? No one knows. The Huntress? Yeah. But the Huntress have a giant shuriken. And a bow, which makes sense, but the shuriken... Oh, turn